Welcome to this tutorial video. Today we will see how to install Pixels in your website. First we need to log in to Trustifier account and then go to Dashboard. Click on Create Campaign. Now you have entered the name for your campaign, and in Domain section you have to write complete address of domain or your subdomain. When you see this box where you get pixel code, need to click on Copy Pixel and it will copy the code and clipboard of your system. Now you need to go to your website, where you want to use this campaign. Here we are showing example, from WordPress website, where you have to select Settings, and then go to Header and Footer section. Now in the header, you have to paste the pixel code, and click on Save Changes. If you are using different platform, please remember you have to paste the code in header section for Pixel command to work. And this is how you install Pixel on your website.